Welcome back to NTV's Good Life. We're cooking it up in the kitchen with Carol. The burger's done, got it grounded. You added a whole onion because it was a small white onion.
Well, almost maybe two-thirds of it, yeah.
Okay.
We're making a bacon cheeseburger tater tot casserole. So we have 1.5 pounds of beef. We have some white onion in there. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup and mustard into this. Okay. So that's 1.
Look
2.
at you.
That's about 2, wouldn't you
that
say?
Looks good.
And then 1 tablespoon of mustard.
Very nice.
So we'll get, that's about 1.
Okay,
just kind of eyeballing that there.
Now
and we are just, oh yeah.
Okay,
smells like a hamburger. Oh, how's that looking?
I wanted to make it a little extra crispy, but not too crispy.
That looks delicious.
Very nice. So we just cooked the whole package, right? Because it called for 6, but these are 9, and this will be fine.
So, oh yeah, this smells good. What else am I gonna? You know what? I'm gonna get the big bowl.
Ooh. So we browned.
We can mix
and you added the ketchup and the mustard.
Added the ketchup and mustard. We browned the beef, and we added the onions to it, the ketchup and mustard, and it's all combined. And then in a large bowl, we're going to add the beef, and we're going to let this cool down for a little bit. Because I'm going to add the tater tots. I don't know if I'm going to have a.
You put the tater tots in there?
Yes.
Oh, for some reason I was thinking that it would be on the top. Okay, well this is good.
Well, it says in a large mixing bowl, add the beef, the cheese, tater tots, the soup. So let's do these things that we can mix up easily. And you could go ahead and add the bacon to the top of that.
Do you want me to crumble it up? Or?
Yes, please.
Okay, I can do that.
Yeah. And I will add, you get a 32-ounce bag of tater tots. Just going to pour this in here. And my boys love tater tots, so there we go. Add that in there. And then it says condensed cheese soup. I've never used condensed cheddar cheese soup. Have you?
I use it when I do my tater tot casserole. Instead of the cream of mushroom, I put that, and then I put a layer of cheese on it.
Oh, wow.
You know what? This is just going to have to go.
Yeah, that sounds good. So we're just going to pour this on top of our tater tots. This cheddar cheese soup.
Very nice.
And then what
Carol,
else
your
do we
boys
add
are going to be saying, you're the mom of the year, if they haven't already.
Well, no.
They do.
Okay.
They do.
So we will add some cream cheese. How much are we going to add to this? It says sour cream. Yes, that is what I mean. I did 2 cups of sour cream. So let's get
2 cups would be about that much.
You think this is 2 cups? Does that look like?
It should be about 8 ounces to a cup, maybe.
Yep.
If I'm not mistaken.
Oh, so that is 2 cups.
Yeah.
So I don't do that kind of. Oh yeah. Get this all mixed up.
Check this out.
I've learned that sometimes it's easier to mix things separately in bowls before you add.
Ew, this is awesome.
The main ingredient of the.
Okay.
Oh yeah, with the bacon.
They're bigger pieces because the bacon's still a little bit warm.
Ooh, yum. And then gotta add all of that. We're gonna add 2 cups of sour cream. Can you turn the oven on to 350?
I would love to.
So we're gonna add the sour cream. Mix that to our tater tots. There we go.
Yum. This would be perfect for end of the school potluck or potluck.
Summer potluck.
This would almost be good. We do a lot on our smoker to keep the heat out of the kitchen. This should be good on the smoker.
Yeah.
Do you need help there?
You want to pass the
cheese?
The 9x5. Oh yeah. Well, I'll layer the cheese on the top.
Okay.
How about if we layer this in the?
Okay, you going 9x5 that first? The burger first.
I'm going to go with this first.
Okay. Let me.
And then we will put this in here.
Okay.
How's that looking?
Very nice.
Oh, there we go, friends. Let's get it all.
There we go.
Mixed together. And then we're going to add some of that meat on the.
How do you want the meat?
Just all over the. Let me get this
here we
all
go.
spread out. And if you want to, you can mix this all together. But this is just a little easier for now for TV.
Want me to go?
Sure, go right ahead. And then we will mix the cheese in. And again, this goes on at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes.
Wow, Carol.
Yeah, long, yummy, huh?
Yep.
How's that looking, friends?
That
So we
And
will
then just
mix all
top with
of-
the cheese. Bake
top
it
with the
350
cheese.
for.
for 40 to 45 minutes, and then
nice.
if you would like to top it even more, you can put some dill pickles on top of it when you serve it with a side salad.
What time's supper?
6:30.
6:30. All right.
There
Thank
you
you,
go.
Carol. If
You're
you want this
welcome.
recipe, we'll have it on our website,
Certainly will.
nebraska.tv. Stay with us. We're coming back with a lot more of NTV's Good Life.